So this is a BeQuiet Dark Power Pro 11. It's a 750 watts power supply unit, and I am super excited about it. I already cracked the seal. And little book. Generic instruction with a lot of language. Well, it's pretty basic stuff. Huh? You even have the explanation for the water cooler. I guess that it's just a generic instruction booklet that covers every product from BeQuiet. Or wait a second. Okay. I guess that's something got mixed in the packaging. Well, still pretty basic stuff. Pin out, power ratings. Oh, that's pretty neat. Always useful to know in case you need to modify one of the cables. Cool. Okay. Now the beast. Okay. Oh, I guess that this is a semi-modular power supply because the motherboard 24-pin connector is not detachable. OCK. Don't know what it is, but I'm gonna read the book. Okay, so bunch of power connectors, fans headers. Also, I recognize those fans. Those are the static pressure optimized BeQuiet fans. Pretty neat though. And one absolute cool feature, I'm pretty impressed by the build quality, and you have here a rubber damper just to be sure that when the fan's gonna kick on at maximum power, if there is any vibration, this rubber will damper it and not transfer the vibration to your case. Wow. Okay. This unit is brand new and the warranty sticker is cracked. Okay. Well, that's not a good point. But the label is really neat though. Okay. Oh, I have one on the other side. And the other ratings. So it's a platinum power supply. So really power efficient. And you also have those little rubber dampers in case that in your case it touch the bottom part of it. Pretty neat. Okay. Now inside of this box. I guess it's gonna be cables. Put back the power supply in the box. Oops. Okay. Don't know if you can see it correctly on the camera, but the writings is textured with like aluminum reflective dust in the ink. Very neat. Power cable, but it's quite thin. I would expect a bigger one for a 750 watt power supply, but it's a platinum efficiency, so I assume that it doesn't need a beefier power cable. Okay, so those are SATA cable, Molex cable with the connection for the power supply itself. Velcro are reusable. That's gonna be handy for the cable management. Oh, you even have a floppy connector. Okay. You have 4 6 to 8 pin VGA power cable for your graphics card in case you're running like 2 2080 Ti's. You gotta love those SLI configs. Okay, more Molex, and again with a floppy connector. PCI Express motherboard, other VGA cable. My god. I don't know who could really use, well, what type of config can really use so much VGA cables. Well, 4-way SLI is still possible, but it's not really well, for sure you cannot run 4 graphics card on a 750 watt power supply. Okay, Molex, power, those goes in power supply. Oh, the 8 pin for the CPU power itself, another 8 pin for CPU power. What is this? Oh, that's pretty neat. Very handy feature. You have this little plate to turn on like super power in case you want to run a benchmark or something that's gonna be really hard on your power supply, so you can kick on the fan and the extra cooling with this switch. That's a really good idea. I like it. And you even have a bypass jumper in case you just want to leave it on all time without using the bracket. Cool. Okay. What about these? Oh. You get extra straps for the cable management. Branded strap. Oh. Well, obviously you got some cable management tie wraps and long screws, thumb screws, and a pretty bunch of fan headers with Molex connectors that goes directly all in your power supply. Nice. I'm gonna make everything super easy to assemble. Yeah. I'm just a bit sad that I cannot afford myself a power supply that quality. But anyway. It's a build I'm doing for my friend Max. One of my homies here in Quebec, Canada. Just gonna clean everything real quick. And, oh, okay, I need vibration dampers. Well, thanks for watching.